you can earn $2.40 per ad you click. I tried this method myself, and you can see I have earned over $24.80 today for just clicking ads. And today, I will share with you the top paid-to-click websites or top PTC websites where you can earn up to $2.40 per ad you click, which is one of the best ways to make money online. Okay, so like this video and let's start with the first website on our list, known as Coinply.com. Coinply is a website where you can earn cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, LTC, or Dashcoin. So if PayPal doesn't work in your country, you can still take withdrawal from this website, and it is available in all countries around the world, so you can use this website and can make money with it. Just click where it says sign up and register using simple information like your name, email ID, and password. Now, once you log into your account, they will send you a verification mail, and as soon as you verify your email, you will get 1,000 coins credited to your account, which is really awesome. Now there are many ways you can make money with Coinply, like playing games, watching videos, installing apps, completing surveys, and much more. But in order to make money by clicking ads, you need to hover your mouse on PTC ads and select View PTC ads from there. It will take you to this page where you can click ads and make money with it. As you can see, there are many ads that you can click and earn money. So for example, if I want to earn money watching this ad over here, I just need to stay on the advertising website for as long as 7 seconds and I will get paid for my click on this ad. So let us just click on this view button and it will take you to new tab where you just need to stay for as long as 7 seconds and make sure you scroll up and down on this website for as long as you are here. After 7 seconds are over, you can just close this tab and come back to Coinply, where you need to click on the image which is required to be clicked to verify this view, and you will be credited with your points. Just like this, you can view all other ads available here by clicking them one by one, and you can earn up to 10 cents for each ad you click on Coinply.com. This is the least paying website on our list, and as we move further in the video, the earning per click will keep increasing. Now the first bonus tip is that if you click on View Top Paying Ads button here, it will show you the most paying ad which you can watch and earn money. So like this video, and let's move on to the second website on our list, which is called as Timebucks.com. Timebucks is one of the best get paid to website when it comes to get paid to complete some simple tasks like playing games, installing apps, answering surveys, and so on. Just sign up yourself and log into your account. Once you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, people from different countries around the world earning few bucks every minute on this website. So Timebucks is also available in almost all countries around the world, and you can use it from any part of the world. Now, to earn money clicking on ads, you need to go over to Earn section from here. It will take you to this page where you can see different options to earn money, such as surveys, content, tasks, offer walls, etc. But for the purpose of this video, I want you to click on content option from here. And on this page, as you can see, here you can click on ads and earn money for it. So for today, you have 20 total ads offer available, and you can earn over $3 today if you click and watch each of these 20 ads. So you can see the first ad here, which you have to watch for just 5 seconds, and you will earn 15 cents for that. So let us just click on this view button over here. It will take you to the new tab where you can see the website. Again, you have to keep scrolling up and down until the 5 seconds are over. After that, you can just close this tab and come back to Timebucks again. As you can see, I have been credited with 15 cents already. Now, I can watch all of these ads from here and can earn over $3 in less than 2 minutes by just clicking and watching them ads. Now second bonus tip is that if you select the push clicks option from here, you can see that here you can get 12 extra ads to click per day and can earn some more money from here. And for this, all you need to do is activate the push clicks ads from here, and you will receive the notifications for ads on your browser whenever they are available. So, as I just showed you, Timebucks pays you up to 15 cents per ad you watch, but our next website will pay you even more money for each ad you click. So let's move to the third website on our list, known as ThinkOpinion.com. ThinkOpinion is one of the best get paid to website, and it pays even more money per ad you click. It is also available worldwide, so you can use it from anywhere in the world. As you can see, they have already paid over $300,000 to its users, and they are trusted by many big companies like Peanut Labs, Opinion Capital, AdSend Media, and many more. So just click where it says sign in now. Click on this option over here, create an account today, and register yourself using some simple information and log into your account. Now, this is how your dashboard will look like. And the good thing is that when you log in for the first time, they will pay you 25 cents for completely free. Just make sure you verify your email ID from the link sent to your email. Now to earn money clicking ads, you want to hover your mouse on offer walls. As you can see, there are a ton of platforms that you can use to make money online. But there are only 3 platforms on this offer wall that helps you to earn money by clicking ads. Starting with the first platform, which is Skippy Ads. So let us select this. It will take you to this page where you need to click on this option of PTC ads, and it will show you the available ads one by one. You can see that if you click and watch this ad, you will earn 35 cents for that. So let's click on it and it will take us to new tab where we just need to stay on this website as long as this loading completes. Then we just need to complete this captcha and boom, we are credited with the money. Just like this, you can click more ads that appear on this page and earn up to 35 cents per ad you click. Now come back to the offer walls, and the second platform to earn money clicking on ads is Ad Click Wall. So let's go to the Ad Click Wall and it will take you to this page. As you can see, there are many ads that you can watch and earn anywhere from 25 cents up to 50 cents for an ad. So for example, if you click this ad, you will earn 40 cents for this. So let's click here to watch this ad and it will again take us to the new tab where you just need to select this icon mentioned over here out of the multiple icons over here. So just click on this icon over here and boom, you will be credited with the money in your account. You can click on all the ads available here and can earn money watching them. Now, the third platform to earn money clicking on ads is Time Wall. So just go to the Time Wall and that's gonna take you to this page. You might need to register separately on Time Wall when you visit it for the first time. So, to earn money with clicking ads, you just need to select the clicks icon from there and it will again show you the available ads one by one. So as you can see, if you click on this ad and watch it for just 5 seconds, you will earn 50 cents for that. So, just click on this view button from here and it will again take you to the new tab and here you just need to stay for 5 seconds only. After that, you can close this tab and come back to Think Opinion. You will be credited with 50 cents. Think Opinion is a brand new website that not many people know about yet. So act fast and take advantage of this website as soon as possible. Now, the fourth website on our list is called SERPclicks.com. SERPclicks is the website that helps companies and different websites to rank higher on Google, and your job will be to click on these websites' ads and stay on them for a few seconds. So the first thing you want to do is click on where it says product and select become a clicker from there. It will take you to this page where you can see that you can earn anywhere from 10 cents up to 80 cents for each website ad you click. And the thing I like the most about SERPclicks is that you will earn minimum of 10 cents at least per click, which is really awesome. Now, your earnings from this website or any other website shown in this video will also depend on the country you are from. So now, you only need to earn $5 to take your first withdrawal from this website, and once you reach $5, it will be automatically transferred to your PayPal account and there is no application required, which means you don't have to wait until you get accepted because you will be automatically accepted once you sign up. And to register on this website, all you have to do is to press this button over here and just sign up using simple information about yourself. The only downside of this website is that they require you to download the Firefox browser and you also have to download the Firefox extension. But if you don't want to use that, you can use the other 3 websites shown in this video to earn money clicking on ads. And if you use all 4 websites, you will be earning $2.40 for each ad you click. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas to all of you.